We're leaving a serene BLM campsite tucked along Forest Service Road 535, just south of Flagstaff, Arizona. This beautiful spot, nestled among towering pines and only minutes from Sedona to the south and Interstate 17 to the east, felt like the perfect mix of remote tranquility and accessible adventure. The moment we pulled into this stretch off historic Route 89A, Paula remarked how the dense pine forest reminded her of home in Georgia. The trees stood tall and proud, their needles swaying gently in the crisp breeze, and the sunsets painted the sky in shades of orange and pink that danced between the branches. It was a sight so breathtaking we couldn't help but pause to take it all in. We spent a few days here, completely off-grid in Mr. Dooley, our trusty 2023 Ford Transit. The hum of ATVs and side-by-sides was a regular occurrence on the road, joined by an eclectic mix of campers, trucks, and vans. It was just enough activity to make us glance up from work now and then, curious about what was going on in our little forest neighborhood. The traffic wasn't bothersome. In fact, it added a touch of life to an otherwise peaceful setting. The nights dipped into freezing temperatures, but with plenty of blankets and the occasional use of our heater, we stayed warm and cozy. Those chilly mornings made stepping out into the brisk air for a quick walk feel like a mini adventure. But as the sun rose and the temperatures climbed to the upper 50s, the days became perfect for soaking in the natural beauty around us. While it was a bit too cool to linger outside for long stretches, our time here was focused on work anyway. packed up and prepared for the short drive into Sedona. We reflected on how this spot offered everything we love about van life: rugged beauty, a sense of community, and moments of quiet productivity, all wrapped in the allure of nature. Forest Service Road 535, you've been good to us. The towering pines, the crisp air, and the unexpected Georgia vibes will stay with us as we continue our journey. Next stop, Sedona, Arizona. More adventures await. Want to support this journey? Hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a moment. Your support keeps us rolling. Thanks for joining us on our Dash for Adventure, because it's not the dates that matter, it's the dash in between. See you on the next journey.